Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw the 2020 NBA Dunk Champion, Derrick Jones Jr., or Airplane Mode. Now, I know there's a lot of controversy with how it went down, but let's be honest, Derrick Jones Jr. was the true winner. He had the most creative dunks, the best dunks, so everyone just needs to kind of, take it easy and just be happy for the guy. Now, to draw Derrick Jones Jr., I'm going to start with his face. So starting right here, I'm going to draw an oval shape for his eye. Now this is going to be kind of like a cartoon version of him. Now, starting right here, I'm going to add another oval shape like this, and then I'm going to add a small circle right in here. Then I'm going to color in this oval shape just like this, and just leave that little circle white. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to draw another oval. And I want this oval to be about the same size as the first one. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw another oval in here with a small circle, and then I'm going to color in this oval. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then over for his nose. And then right underneath that, I'm going to make a line that goes straight across like this. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then back up for his mouth. And then I'm going to add a little curved line in here for his tongue. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down to here. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this up to here. Then you want to draw a line that's going to go straight across here. And then I'm going to bring this right down to about here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little circle shape for his ear. And then I'm going to put a little curved line in here and another line going down for some detail in his ear. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up for his hair, and then it's going to go down and up and down like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then go down, and then I'm just going to add a few more little bumps on here. And then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go out, and then it's going to kind of curve down and then in. And then I'm going to jump over the ear and draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down to here. Then, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to curve up, down, and then it's going to kind of go up and then curve over to here for his beard. And then I'm going to make a line that goes up and down for part of his beard here, and then up and down right here for another part. And then I'm going to draw two little curved lines up here for his eyebrows. Now, for his body. So, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to curve up to here. And then I'm going to add a little curved line in here for his neck. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out. It's going to come down, kind of curve around, and then go up to here. And then starting right here by his neck, I want to draw his arm. So I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve out. And then I'm going to kind of curve up like this. Then right here, I'm going to just draw a line that's going to curve out. And then it's going to curve up to here. Then, starting over here, I'm going to draw his other arm. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve all the way out to here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and then down like this for his hand. I'm going to just kind of curve it around like this. And then I'm going to just kind of curve around here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve across and then come down. Now right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down to here for his jersey. And then I'm going to add a little curved line right in here just to show where his arm is moving. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then it's going to kind of curve around and then come up for part of the jersey. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down at an angle. It's going to curve and then kind of come back up here. Then I'm going to make a little curved line right here. And then a line that goes down at an angle. It's going to curve, come up, and then kind of curve up here. Now for his legs, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to come in like this. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this down for his foot and then come up. Then I'm just going to go up and then over like this. Now for this leg, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go out like this. It's going to kind of curve and then come back up. And then I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around and then come up like this for his other foot. Now, right up here, we want to draw the basketball. So I'm just going to draw a nice big circle right up here for the basketball. I'm going to draw a little curved line like this. And then right here, I'm going to draw a big line that goes up and then down. Then you want to make another curved line right here. And then one line that goes through all three of those other lines that we just drew. Okay, now let's add some details on his jersey. So, starting right here, I'm just going to make two little lines that just go down like this. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over, down, and then over for his shoe. And then I'm going to make a little line right across here for his sock. Then on here, we just want to make a number 5 for his number on his Vice jersey, which, by the way, I think are the coolest jerseys in the NBA right now. And then I'm just going to make a little curved line here, and then a curved line right around the neck, and then another little curved line right here around the jerseys. Now, the last thing we want to do is we want to turn him into airplane mode because that is his nickname. So I'm going to start right here by his chin, and I'm going to draw one line going out to here, and then I'm going to draw another straight line right underneath it. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down. It's going to jump over the arm. I'm going to kind of curve this around and then go up. And then right on here, I'm just going to make a nice oval shape like this. And then I'm just going to continue these two lines out here. Connect them with a diagonal line. Then you want to draw a line that goes down. And then it's just going to come back towards the body, so we're going to go right to here. Draw a line to here. And then we're just going to draw a nice diagonal line all the way towards his body. Then you just want to put a little circle in there. Or oval, I should say. Now, same thing over here. We're going to start right over here by his arm. So I'm just going to draw a nice line that goes down at a diagonal. And then another one right here. This time, I'm going to draw a nice big oval shape up here. Two lines going down. And then a little curve. Then I'm just going to continue these lines going down and then connect them. Then you just want to make a nice line that goes down at an angle. And then it's just going to come back to here, jump over this, and then come all the way back to his body. And then you can add a little oval in here. And there you go. There is your drawing of the 2020 NBA Dunk Champion Derrick Jones Jr., also known as Airplane Mode of the Miami Heat. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.